morning vlog. If you can tell by the mess around me and of course by the name of the video, you know what kind of vlog we're gonna do today. It's gonna be a cleaning, organizing, trying to make this apartment look clean and tidy and nice, and we'll also talk about some stuff that's been happening in between. Today is my last official presentation at university. So that's a big chapter as well, and there's a video coming about graduation and how I feel about finishing uni in a pandemic. So I'll keep you updated throughout the day. We have a lot of stuff to do. We have to clean the dishes, we have to pack the laundry. Oh no, the laundry is in the other side. So first things first, breakfast and coffee. So I am now ready for my presentation. I put some makeup on. I've got everything ready here. My speech is here. I'm just waiting to be admitted in the Zoom room, and hopefully everything will be great. So my boyfriend left for work. We had that very healthy, not lunch. We had some bubble waffles because there's a new bubble waffle place that opened right below our apartment, and now it's time to clean because I like to do it in my own style, at my own pace, without anyone bothering me, with my music in the background and everything my way. So I'm gonna start with the dishes because I think I'll have to do it like 4 times because it's just too much. And this makes me think about how much I actually want a dishwasher, and my next place has to have a dishwasher. Let's do it! So this is what we have to deal with, and it's not even all the dishes in the house. This is what we are starting with. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be like a hour and a half of washing dishes, so let's do it. So first batch of dishes is ready, and it looks like I haven't even washed one, but trust me, I washed dishes for the last 35 minutes and now I need to wait a bit so they can dry because I'm not gonna manually like dry each of them. That's too much. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm actually gonna go around the room and I'm gonna pick up all the trash, things that I need to throw away and things that need to go in the bedroom and be organized there, and organize this so that it will be easier and I don't have to just wait around for the dishes to dry so I can wash the other part of them. I don't know if you can see me well, but now I'm just gonna fold all this laundry and then I'm gonna take a little break. I'll have a Pepsi and I'll watch something and then we'll go back to washing dishes. And while I'm doing this, I thought we could talk a bit about how I feel finishing uni. As I said, there'll probably be a separate video at one point, maybe after I get my results. But to be honest, I have such mixed feelings. Like, on one side I feel great because it's over and I feel like I'm ready to step out of uni and step into work, like full-time work. But at the same time, I don't want it to be over. Like, I liked it, I loved it so much, I just don't want it to be over. So I've got mixed feelings. Some days I'm super happy and ready to like tackle the work done. Sometimes I wake up and I'm super sad and I've cried a lot about it. And I just wanted to say that if you're feeling anything like this, it's totally normal. I mean, it depends a lot on what experience you had during your studies, but for me everything was great. Like, there was no time when I was like, oh, I'm done with this uni, I don't want to do it anymore. No, there was nothing like that. There were hard assessments and easy assessments, but never once have I said I want to be done. And in the end I don't want to be done, so it's weird. And in terms of what I'm planning to do, like career-wise, I have something exciting that I'm not gonna mention because I haven't done anything with it yet. It's just an idea that me and my boyfriend have, and if that turns out, of course, I will definitely announce it here as well. But apart from that, I haven't applied to any jobs yet. I mean, I still have my job. I'm a sales assistant and an e-commerce manager for a small gift shop in London. I go there currently. I'm doing a bit more hours than usual just because we're understaffed, and so I need to cover for my lovely colleagues. And I'm not being sarcastic, like, they're actually lovely, because that sounded a bit weird. But anyways, so haven't applied to anything yet. I keep an eye out for everything that comes up. I feel like, so basically I've done the presentation today, and then I have 2 other assessments. So I still feel like I'm still in uni. There's no more classes. We've had our last official class, but I still feel like I have work to do, because I have some work to do left. And I think after that it will finally like catch up to me, and I'll realize that it's actually over, and then it's gonna be even more sad. But yeah, that's kind of where I'm at. Of course, I'll keep you guys updated. It's a weird feeling to finish uni, and it's even worse finishing it now when there's no graduation. I haven't seen like more than half of my colleagues for like a year and a half. I've only seen them online, if I've seen them online, because not everyone turns on their camera. Maybe I don't turn up my camera sometime. It's tricky, but we will figure it out. Life goes on, life is beautiful, and now I need to finish packing this laundry and relax for a bit.